Halo, apa kabar kita teh? Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty is going to grill Hawaiian sunfish with homemade sambal and ulam-ulaman. So come, let's join Aunty. Alright, so this is the Hawaiian sunfish that I'm going to scale. I have to remove the scale. And then I'm gonna wash it clean. To remove the foul smell of the fish, I'm using lime. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, these are the fish I already scaled and I already score it. And I'm going to marinate this with 2 cloves of garlic. This one I'm gonna pound. A little bit of salt. Okay, about half teaspoon. And then ground black pepper. And then garlic. These are pounded garlic. Alright. Very simple marination. A little bit of cooking oil. About 1 tablespoon. So the stomach has been removed. And this is very dirty part actually, where the waste all come out. So this one I already cut it away. This is the anus actually. The fish anus. Okay. We set aside for a while. Then we will proceed with the flowing process. Stay tuned, guys. So this is the flowing process until it's going to grill this fish. Okay, we heat up the pan. This is the grill pan. Add in the cooking oil onto the banana leaves. This is to grease the okay. Okay, it's enough hot already. So we put in this and let it grill. Okay, cover it to retain the heat. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, let's see how is the fish. Right, now it's time to turn it. Okay, switch off the flame. Okay, time to turn this thing. Okay, time to turn this fish. Okay, this one fish carry out first, and then put another leaf. All right. Oh, marvelous. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. See? Yee. Ah. Beautiful. Okay. And then continue grill. Cover it. All right. Alright, the banana and leaves I used to replace this now. I wrap cooking oil first, then I'll put the fish on it. Okay, stay tuned guys. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Grilled Hawaiian sunfish with homemade sambal and ulam-ulaman. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.